Welcome to World in 2 minutes. These are your headlines. As Bahrain announced it'll cut ties with Iran, Sudan also recalled its ambassador to Iran and expelled its Iranian envoy. Meanwhile, the UAE says it'll limit the number of Iranian diplomats it allows in. Earlier, Saudi Arabia's foreign minister gave Iranian diplomats 48 hours to leave. On Saturday, Riyadh executed 47 people, including a prominent Shia cleric. Most of them were found guilty of having links to Qaeda. The Iranian government condemned the cleric's execution, and protesters set fire to the Saudi embassy in Tehran. Reports say at least 2 Sunni mosques in central Iraq have been bombed, and gunmen have killed a muezzin near his home in Iskandariyah. No one has claimed responsibility for these attacks. Iraq's interior minister said infiltrated elements carried out the attacks to revive sectarian unrest, following the executions in Saudi Arabia on Saturday. Sectarian violence has been rife in Iskandariyah over the last decade. Trading on China's stock markets was stopped for the day after shares dropped more than 7%. It was the first time China's so-called trading circuit breakers were used. The safety measure was introduced as a way to stabilize the market after a sharp drop. The slide was triggered by data that showed China's factory output in December fell for the 10th month in a row. Scientists have verified 4 new elements that complete the 7th row of the periodic table. Elements 113, 115, 117 and 118 are all synthetic. The teams that discovered the elements will now give them their official names. They're the first elements to be added to the table in 5 years. Thanks for watching trtworld.com, Istanbul.